Good afternoon, traders. It is Friday, August 27th, 2021, and the U.S. stock market is closed. Well, we made money on Freaky Friday, so I shouldn't complain, but let's just say, in spite of making money, we were still subject to the curse of Freaky Friday, which I will explain here uh, in a second. You're looking here at the Dow, the, the Dow that will never go down, I guess, no matter what happens in the world. Yeah, the Dow pretty much reversed its losses from yesterday and ended up closing up 243 points. It really seems to defy gravity, and you know, I don't know what to make of the Dow. It's just one of the. It's become my. It's become an indicator I don't pay much attention to, but I've been doing it so long I can't stop, and it's so freaky that I also I'm interested in it, but it has very little correlation to anything that we're doing right now. We had three positions coming in, and we closed those out with positive almost $17,000. So that was a big improvement from yesterday, where we were on the close, and that's good. Obviously, that closing out 17 grand that's a good day. However, I mentioned the curse of Freaky Friday. The curse was 15 minutes before we closed out that 17,000. We were at 27,000, so we saw $10,000 go up in smoke in 15 minutes right before we exited. So yeah, I mean you can't have you just can't have it right all the time, or even part of the time. But it's still, that's always a little bit unnerving to see the damn equity drop right before we get out, and that happened this morning. But as I say, 17,000 is still a significant improvement over where we were on the close yesterday. So I'll take what we can get. We got into 20 new positions today, 9 positive, 11 negative, and we're holding negative $8,000 over the weekend. So I'm not real happy about having 20 negative positions and carrying them over the weekend, but maybe it'll go okay. And officially, if I didn't say so, the Dow closed up 243 points. Let me show you two of the trades. This one was both are joy and sorrow today. This is SGOC, which is SGOCO Group Ltd. We had bought this yesterday midday, and I whined and moaned and groaned yesterday on the video about how this pulled back and closed with pretty minimal profits yesterday. But surprise, surprise, it really took off this morning right after the open. And I think up here on top, this thing was like 19, it might even hit 20,000 right up here on top on this third bar that we get out. But then, of course, it pulls way back right before we actually get out. And so we got out of that with 14,000, almost $15,000. Okay, So even with the pullback, that was a good trade. Made $15,000 in SGOC. But then this is where the sorrow comes in. This thing creeps up, and hits our re-entry here. And normally this re-entry looks pretty good because it's making a new high. Second hour, that's pretty good, but no, it just failed from there, and down it goes. In an open trade, we're negative 10,000. So after making, 15,000 in the trade, it takes away 10,000, and that 10,000 is open trade. Now it could go up again on Monday. We don't know. It could do the same thing it did today, but it could also go the other way. $10,000 open trade loss is quite a bit. And then our best trade, new trade today, this is BTBT, which is Bit Digital Incorporated, and we got this a second hour, and it just kept climbing there, goes pretty close to its high, and we're up $3,800 in Bit Digital. So that one looks really good. So anyway, yeah, it was Freaky Friday, but we made money. Can't complain, and let's be optimistic about the open on Monday. I'll see you then.